Okay, so this is the Turtle Beach Elite Atlas. It's the PC headset, but you could use this for Xbox or PlayStation. So I wanted to show here, really simple microphone, 3.5mm cable, and the PC splitter cable. Very simple to connect. Now, I just wanted to say, based on a lot of reviews I've been reading, everyone is saying that this headset doesn't really sound too well when you connect it to an Xbox or a PlayStation. And one thing you have to remember, the Xbox One controller, doesn't have an audio processor on board on the controller itself. Meaning, if you had one of these, this is a Turtle Beach, sound equalizer for the Xbox controller, where you can create, like right here, you press this, and you can create different presets with sound. You can have it, more bass, less bass, footsteps, all that stuff. You need that kind of thing with this headset, or with any headset, when you connect it to an Xbox controller, because the Xbox One controller is only going to process the sound wirelessly from the Xbox to the controller to your headset. The Xbox controller is not going to power a headset. It doesn't have enough power or electricity current to power your headset to the levels that you think is surround sound, 5.1 surround sound, Dolby Atmos. It's not going to do that. So don't blame the headset, blame the technology in the controller. Now, if you have this, it helps a lot. Of course, nothing beats if you have it connected to an amp like this, ASTRO amp 5.1. This is what I use all the time. Or you can get the Turtle Beach one also. They have some really nice ones. But this costs $30 on Amazon. You can get the newer ones that has an orange face and it's a lot more simpler. That one costs $50. Would make this, I don't know if it's like 10 times better, but it sounds way better with these headphones. These headphones are really good. The microphone is clear. The sound is excellent with these headphones. So if you see any reviews out there that say that, the headphones, they're bad, they don't sound good, no bass, and I've been reading a lot of them that say no bass. The Xbox controller doesn't have any kind of equalizer on it. So yeah, if this is, a power hungry headphone, get something like this. Your batteries will run out faster, but that's what you pay for having some nicer sounds. Also with this headset, right here, there's not enough padding, not enough whatsoever. If you put this on, it's gonna, I had it on, for like 15 minutes, and it was just not enough. So what you can do is you can buy something like this. These are Sennheiser headphone, right here, headband. You can put double-sided tape right here. You can cut, this part off, and it makes it 10 times softer and even a more snug fit. That's what I do with all my headsets. And you can see right here, I have I modded these. These are the A40X Audio-Technica. So I double-sided it right here. I double-sided it right here. As you can see, it sticks on nicely. And these are the ear pads of the brainwaves. So that you can do to make these sound a lot better. So yeah, overall the headset is really nice. Also, right here, as you can see, the drivers are exposed. You can also get these, ear cup foams from Amazon. And if the sound is too piercing for you, you put that on. I have some, I can't find it right now, but you could put some on right here, and it will muffle a little bit the piercing sounds. But overall, this headset is an excellent headset. I like it a lot. I like Turtle Beach in general. This headset reminds me of the Turtle Beach 7 Pro. That headset was awesome. The mic was awesome. The sound was punchy. Everything was cool. I haven't found any headset that comes close to that specific headset, and it's been discontinued. And mine broke because I used it so much. But this is the next best thing. This is that would replace it. So if you had that one and you're trying to find something similar, this would be it. As long as you have this guy, okay? So yeah, the sound is good. Everything is excellent on this headset. The sounds are punchy with that little equalizer on your controller. Microphone. Here's the microphone. Right here. This is the 3.5mm cable, and this is the PC splitter, so you can connect to your control the microphone and all that. So let's connect this here. It even has right here a pop filter. That's really cool. I was like, oh man, I gotta buy a pop filter, but no, this has a built-in pop filter. Very cool. So, and oh, you can see these come off. Probably in the future down the line, you'll be able to get something customized, just like the Astros. So there's the headset. You could also bend these. I like these when you could bend it like that, where you can put it closer to your mouth or move it back. Some of them, like from the Astros, or some of them just, you know, they all, and then they, you know, you put them in a position and they do this. So you have to keep on doing it, and then they keep on going back. So I like it where you can, you know, move it wherever you want to move it. So this is how the headset looks. Very cool. Recommended 100%. Very cool, very nice and sleek looking. Doesn't look too, you know, gamey, where, you know, they have all these things all over the place. You know, Astros are really cool headsets. It's just that the Astros, I think, are, you know, really punchy, and, you know, they have like muffled bass, and the mids are really good over there, but the highs, you know, I don't like the highs, and the bass isn't, you know, really, I don't like it. So, and their designs are all just all over the place. I don't know, looks too bulky. This is nice and sleek. Good headset, good headphones, very cool. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe.